Hi there everyone, I'm Taylor Lancaster. In this video I'm going to be talking to you about what I'm going to do in the workshop for our September 13th here in Brigham City, Utah at the Crystal Inn, so stay tuned. And again, I'm Taylor Lancaster here with you, helping you achieve your greatest goals by eliminating your fears, and so you can have the freedom in your life to do whatever the heck you want without those nasty habits you had. And today I'm going to be talking about what I'm doing for my workshop here on September 13th here in Brigham City at the Crystal Inn. Yes, it is after Peach Days in Brigham City as well, so you'll be able to attend it. It's a Thursday at 6:30 p.m. So I'm going to give you some free material here that I am going to put into the workshop. So we're going to talk about how performance with children, where it's called Unleash Your Child's Potential. And with unleashing your child's potential, one of the greatest things is performance enhancement. And the performance enhancement in which we're trying to work on is mostly grades and athleticism. Because a lot of athleticism and grades are based on mentality. If you look at Albert Einstein, he was told he was stupid at the beginning, then he went and played music, and then he finally started to have good study habits. The reason why, because parents knew that by putting the kid into something that he can actually have a chance to focus on, he'd be able to do something, And the teacher didn't give a crap, He didn't think, oh, this kid has a focus issue. No, all the teacher thought was, he's an idiot because he's not getting very good grades and he's disruptive. But yet, he was the greatest mind of the time. Some people's opinions aren't actually fact, and you got to take that into consideration. Again, we're going to be focusing on focus issues as well as hypnosis and what it can do to help your kids as well as yourself study and do the best you possibly can. I am specifically going to talk about peak performance. We're doing peak performance for your student or your athlete. And to go off of what peak performance is and what we're going to show you and demo is peak performance is a state. States are when you're like happy, sad, mad, greedy, blah 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 blah. You feel certain emotions in certain states. It's like a drink. If I had a glass of orange juice over here, it's going to taste a little different. If I have a glass of water, it's going to taste a little different. If I have a glass of water with lemon in it, it's going to taste a little different. Those are different states. And in this glass per se, we're going to put you in a state of performance. Peak performance is where you're able to achieve the highest point of your achievement. Look at these great athletes. Troy Aikman, Brett Favre, as well as Michael Jordan, John Stockton. They had a great mentality, and the reason why is because they had a mentality and a state that they played in called peak performance, and they got into that state by doing certain rituals as well as certain hypnotic traits. It was somewhat of a hypnotic trance that they were in when they were in that high performance state. And so with that high performance state, what we do is we find some time in the past that we've had that was a high peak state, a high performance state, and we try and replicate that. So in hypnosis, you can do this right now if you would like. So go ahead and close your eyes. You close your eyes and you feel inside of you that what these high performance states were. And with that high performance state, you can see like what you feel in your heart or in wherever place you're feeling it, and you can feel it. In that high performance state, you're going to feel something perhaps enjoyable or like let's get it going kind of a feeling. It's hard to explain in words, but whatever it is for you, feel that now. And as you feel it, just let it intensify until it reaches the point where at that point in a memory. So let's go back to a memory. And in that memory, I want you to focus on when you received that achievement. It could have been something like shooting the winning hoop, scoring the winning touchdown, ending a recital and having complete standing ovation. You can have anything. I don't care what it is. Just focus on what it is, and what it meant to you and how it felt. I'll give you a moment there to figure out how you felt. Now, as you've been able to notice how you feel, I want you to stay in that state. I want you to feel those feelings right now, and I want you to intensify them. You can intensify things very, very easily, so just double it, maybe even triple it, but just amplify it as much as you can right now. And now I'm going to tell you to do something. This is called an anchor. Anchoring is when we a certain action and then something happens. For example, it could be you touch your fingers, your forefinger and your thumb together, and you feel the same way. Okay? It could be anything. It could be the most natural movement you want. Okay, I want you to figure out what you want as an anchor. I'm going to give you a moment to figure that out for a second. Okay, now that you figured out what you want, I want you to feel that peak performance once again. So feel that peak performance and then touch that thing, whether it's your finger, your leg, your face, something of that nature. So go ahead and touch that place or use that anchor. And now you can connect that feeling with that. And every time you touch that anchor or you use that anchor, it doubles it again. So do it again, it doubles. I want you to keep touching it, and every time you touch it, you double, and you double, and you double, and you double. Okay? And now, what's your favorite color? I want you to hit that anchor again, and as you hit that anchor and use that anchor, you feel the best in this state you've ever felt. See how it works? You can go ahead and open your eyes. That's how it works. Okay? That's what I'm going to be teaching you. How to use the peak performance in testing situation. You're just using that state because sometimes in tests we're not all that prepared, or we think we're not all that prepared, and we just need that little extra help, that little mental help. Okay? I want you to use that. As you use that, you'll be able to do the best you can, and you can do the best in sports, you can do the best in athletics, and you can be the best you can possibly be, because really that's what we're doing. We're eliminating the fear of us being mediocre. I am going to help you eliminate the fear of being mediocre so that you can be the best you can possibly be and do whatever the heck you want. Become who you really want to be. And that's what this whole entire workshop is about, becoming the true you by doing the best you can be in any point in your life. Again, our workshop is September 13th, Thursday at 6:30 p.m. at the Crystal Inn in Brigham City. Okay? I hope to see you there. Talk to me to get tickets, okay? Because space is limited, and we really want you to experience this. So my number is 435-999-4844. I'll also put some more stuff in the description below. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.